Welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can give yourself a temp taper fade like this. Let's get started. Boost. To begin with, even out the excess hair using number 4 guard, level all the way close. This is to have a clear view on what we need to work on to have a taper fade. Bring out your trimmer and we will create an initial guideline right next to the middle of ear. This area is called temporal area of the head. Keep it as straight as possible. Now we're back with the hair clipper and using no guard attached, lever all the way open. Go open about a tiny bit above your initial guideline. Then take out your number 1 comb guard and lever all the way open. Go up once again, but just a tiny bit again. We want to keep the taper fade lower than usual. That's why we're doing this. If you want to see other taper fade tutorials like high taper and so on, make sure to check the other videos in my YouTube channel. Then take out your number 2 guard, lever all the way open. Try to blend in the fade layer you created earlier into the length of the number 4. By the way, I'm dropping the Barber merch very soon, so keep an eye on the new announcement. Now we're in the process of blending the layers and making the taper look blurry, so no guard attached, lever all the way closed. Erase the line at the very bottom. Sometimes you can't see the line, but try to cut the area you had created the line earlier. Then open up the lever and blend the line above using the corner of your blade, like the sideways. Make sure it's a sideways so you don't create a harsh guideline. And lastly, number 1 guard, lever all the way close to blend that line right here. And the fade is complete after this. So follow the same steps for the back side, and please take your time because it is harder to do taper fade at the back. And I also like to remind you all that becoming a member at the Barber channel will allow you to have a better priority on asking me questions regarding the self haircut tutorials, and I can also privately help you with your own haircut so you never have to mess up cutting your own hair ever again. So consider joining. So lastly, I like to do this for every haircut, but I like to shape up my taper fade using a trimmer and making my hairline super crispy. And yeah, take your time in this step. This was before the haircut, and the result of the cut is boom. If you like my self-cut tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you very soon. Boost.